guys, welcome to a new video at Airplane Enthusiast channel. We got a new airplane model. Well, not exactly that new. Here it is, guys. It's pretty cool. It's got retractable landing gear. As you can see, it's got 2 air intakes right in there. And yeah. So again, this model is not for beginners. It's not the hardest model we've made, but this again is not for beginners. So yeah, if you have a creasing knife, use that. But yeah, so we're gonna start out folding in half. Simple valley fold. Make sure to be neat. Increase your models well so that they stay together the whole time. This is the preliminary fold. I'm going to fold this over. I'm just going to do a few creases for this. These are just some creases to just get it set up for the squash fold. Make it so much easier. Flip it over. If you don't know how to do the preliminary fold, you can go ahead and check out that video. Although if you can't do the preliminary fold, it might be a little difficult to make this model, because this is definitely not the easiest fold, or the hardest fold. Alright, now you're going to hit a squash fold right here. Find the side with 2 flaps right here, so you're going to fold this over and squash fold this side so that you've got a flap on each side. You got one of these, and then you've got this part right here. Now we're going to make the front landing gear by pedal folding this flap. Alright. So you want to pedal fold. And again, use the creasing knife. If you don't have one, try and get one. You can use something like anything like a ruler, or a creasing rock if you have one, but they're really helpful. But if you don't have one, you can just use your fingernail, and that will flatten it out pretty well. Now, you just want to fold this back, so that's like the little landing gear flap. Now, you're going to take this, to make the back landing gear, you're going to take this flap right here, and you're going to fold it out, and squash fold it. Okay. That was a little unneat. We'll fix it up though with this creasing knife. Pedal fold now. Alright, now you can just fold it over just to get it out of the way of anything. Now you're going to repeat it on this side. I'm going to fold it out to that edge, corner, and then squash fold. And pedal fold. All of these different types of folds we do have videos for, so you can check those out if you want to. You can't do this model, but you really like it and you want to try and get better at origami. We have videos to help you do that. And we got, so we got videos like that. We're going to do the wing fold. That's what we call it, because it makes the wings realistically, like, not like just like really weird. And this you really want to fold really well. Crease, make sure to crease it. And once you do this little fold, if you're wondering what I did there, you just want to put this under those other flaps, and that will also kind of help hold it down. Now the base is done. Now it's time for the jet fold. This is the hardest fold of the model, and this is what makes it look realistic. We have a video on it, because a lot of people don't really know what the jet fold is, and it's very difficult. But there we go. And now you can see why we did that wing fold. It makes these wings kind of differentiate from the rest of the model. Right, now we're just going to fold the wings up. They should align pretty well. Now take this little flap, and now you're going to notice that this landing gear is pretty dang big. You just want to kind of like tuck it in so that it's not a gigantic mess. I'm going to inside reverse fold this flap up to make it get out of the way. And then we're going to repeat this part. Oops. I did invent this model, if you were wondering. So we're just kind of like tucking this landing gear in, because the front landing gear isn't as big as the back landing gear, so we want to make them as close to the same size as possible. Now we're going to take your front landing gear piece and stick it out a little bit. Alright. So now your model's going to look about like this. And yeah, so as you can tell, we have these little flaps right in here. You're just going to kind of rounding them out. Kind of just making little air intakes. But yeah, so that's it for the model. Here it is. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this. And yeah, so hope you like the video, and see you next time. Bye.